And they use the soil as the construction material. Okay, this done finish. Okay, I open. Okay, this part is designed as the spillway. For spillway, the water flow through the structure. It's conventional concrete, but nowadays they use the concrete face slab in front, but inside the spillway they use the technique for we call compacted concrete material. It's mixed between sand, gravel, small amount of cement, and compacted. So we can reduce the cost of construction. This is the technique we call RCC, roller compacted concrete, for the structure that needed waterproof in front face slab by conventional concrete. But for the dam, we use the material, the earth material, which we protect no overflow of water. We design that structure. So it is the different when we use the function, okay, function of material. It implies that for concrete get more impermeable layer compared to soil, compared to compacted soil. So, and this is the view after construction. This part is the main dam. This part is spillway. You see? So this is the first thing that I like your group now to work together about 20 minutes to show your country dam and just review about construction of your dam in your country. So this is my first question for working together now. I give your group, every person work together and show me your dam in your country. Will you? 20 minutes I give you and make oral presentation about 3 minutes a group. Okay, we will start discussion about 1:30. Okay. Group number 1, are you there? Group number 1?
Group number 2.
Oh, sorry, group number 2. Group number 2.
Yes, again.
Which part you like to show me?
I'm not sure yet. Cambodia.
Okay, but in Cambodia, right?
Yes, again, maybe.
Okay. What about group number 3? Kavichai, number 4. Group number 3.
Here, Ajahn.
Which part you like to show me? You discuss with your friend about the construction material of the dam. Up to your team, up to your members. Group number 4. Which part? Which country?
Maybe Bhutan, Ajahn. Bhutan.
Okay, Bhutan. Group number 5.
Bhutan, Ajahn.
Okay, I let you 15 minutes work and show me about the construction. Okay, I wait for you 15 minutes work together.
Ajahn, I cannot hear anything.
Yes. Any question?
No, I just hear this. This has no sound before.
Oh, I assigned your group working together about the material to be constructed as a dam. So you have to ask your group. Okay. Group number 5, please share your screen, please. Finish, done? Group number 5, are you finished?
Ajahn, can you give
Yes.
us few minutes?
Finish?
No, no, we are still discussing. Just few minutes, Ajahn.
Okay. Group number 2, are you finished?
Not
Okay.
yet, Ajahn.
Okay. Pattaragon. Okay. The first assignment I give you now, every group must discussion about the construction material of the dam in your area. This is, for example, I get the Khoe Noi Bamrung Dam in Thailand. I give them the construction material for the spillway. They use the technique roller compacted concrete and faced the surface of roller compacted concrete by conventional concrete. So we call RCD. We call CR. C mean concrete, conventional concrete. Roller compacted concrete inside like a sandwich. I give them example. If you take a look, this part use the impermeable concrete. For the dam, is earth material stone dam. Others are stone, use soil for construction material. So I ask your group, make a discussion about the construction material for the earth dam or concrete dam, any type in your country, and show me. I give them 15 minutes. If which group done finish, please respond that you finish. Group number 2, finish, done? Just give me your, maybe some picture and describe what material for that dam. Not much details, information. Just make a discussion, please.
We not yet find the material, Ajahn. It's hard for us to find in the corner.
Hard?
Yeah.
So which one? You tell me which one. You go to Google Earth, right? In your town, in your country. Okay. You share your screen, please.
Okay, Ajahn. Wait a moment.
Share your screen. Maybe you use laptop or computer. Okay, maybe you can use anchor or get many barrel. You can use construction of barrel in anchor. Group number 2.
Hello again.
Yes?
Okay.
Would you like to share your screen? Okay,
Yeah.
share your screen,
But
please.
I can show only the photo and the location again. I don't know how to
Yes.
describe the material.
Okay. No matter.
I'm trying to show.
That's matter. Let's try.
I'm sharing it now, Jan. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what
And
material they used?
I can't find the material, Jan.
You can't find the material?
Yeah, I cannot, Jan. I don't have any information about that, Jan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know about the spillway? You see the water?
Yeah. Yes, Jan.
Okay. If the water flowed through the body, it couldn't be the rock field or couldn't be the earth field. It should be concrete, right?
Yes, Jan.
Yes. Okay. Siri, how many people in your group?
5 and 6, Jan.
Okay, Siri. The Bali in your group?
Yes, Jan. He's in my group.
Bali.
But I think he's not free for today, Jan. He has another chance.
Bali absent.
Yes, Jan. He has.
Sigmund.
Yes, Achan, I'm here.
Yes. Do you know what the name of these dam that your friend show you?
Yes, I know, teacher.
Kamche.
That was in Kampot province.
And you know what the material they use for construction?
I'm not sure about that, teacher, because it's hard to find.
It's hard to find. What you guess should be concrete or should be rock fill dam or should be the earth zone? What should be?
I think it's concrete.
Yeah, why? If you do the shape of the dam can tell you the material type. If If there is thin, not blank, not very large one, mostly is concrete. If you notice, it's by shape. By shape. Shape of the earth dam different from the concrete dam. For concrete, mostly slim. And it mostly designed as arc. Okay. Privet, are you there?
Yes, Ajan Kap. Yes, Kap.
Yes. Okay. What's material when you mix of concrete? What kind of material that used as a mix of concrete mixture?
Ajan, sand, gravel for mixture of concrete, I think.
Sand,
Gravel
what else?
and supporting structure, steel rods.
Just concrete, not reinforced.
Oh, sorry, Ajan Kap, sorry.
Sand, gravel, we call it, for sand, we call it fine aggregate, right?
Yes, Ajan.
For gravel, rock, we call quartz aggregate, right?
Yes, Ajan.
And you forget all about water cement ratio, right? When you study and then you forget.
Sorry, Ajan.
Not sorry. It's have to you in your mind. You are civil engineer. You have to know basic material. Thank you for group number 2. Another person for group
Thank
number
you,
2.
Ajan.
Main strength.
Yes, Ajan. Yes.
So what you help your friend? Songchan. Okay, group number 2. Bully and Songchan absent the class. Okay. Siri, Sigmund, Priviti, and Meng Sreng, right? Meng Sreng. Only 4 class. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, group number 3. Thank you very much, group number 2. Group number 3, please share your screen.
Okay, John.
Doesn't matter, just 2 points. No worry. Okay, group number 3, please.
Bhutan.
And
The type of dam is concrete arc gravity dam, and its meaning is like arc gravity dams are massive dams of concrete that resist the thrust of water by their weight using the force of gravity and the arc action.
Okay.
So this is the type of the dam. So.
Okay, thank you. Okay, San Pao. Okay, thank you, San Pao. Dile. San Pan.
Ajan,
Yes,
I want to say something about this dam.
please.
So in the beginning, they built a check dam, yeah, with the use of local materials.
I can hear your voice.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Nima.
In the beginning, they built a check dam before they built this permanent dam with the use of local materials.
No, I can't hear you. Nima, you shut down your microphone.
อาจารย์ครับ
Yes?
I have something to add on to this also ครับ
Yes, please.
For the dam they are also building the what do we call it? Electric power plant that is generate electricity and is created in like in the จอมพลปองพิบูลสงคราม era ครับ and it's the biggest or the only one
Jakapong, are you there?
จะได้ยินไหม Can you hear me?
No, I can hear you very well. Patragon.
Yeah, this is me.
Okay.
And it's the only one the concrete arc dam in Thailand and in Asia, I think the biggest one.
Thank you. What another information? Jakapong. Okay. So your group number 3, only Sanpao, Tile, Patragon, and Kesong, Jakapong. Gone. Only 4 person, right? Okay, group number 4. I saw Sanpao, Tile, Patragon, Kesong. 4 person. No Jakapong, where is he? No Jakapong. Okay, group number 4, please.
Hello, Ajahn. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very well.
Okay, so now I'll share my screen.
Okay, you can share your screen, please.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So first I will be showing some pictures.
Yes, it's not picture, only alphabet.
No, the pictures of the dam.
No. Where's the picture of the dam?
Oh. Can you wait a bit, Ajahn? It's not working.
I saw only
I'm trying to.
folder of the picture. Okay, I can see. Ko Ilala.
Okay, so then these are the pictures.
Yes,
This is
I saw.
this is actually the dam. I took this picture when I visited the dam, and that time it was still under construction.
So what
So
material?
it's the name of the dam. The material. This is the dam. It is a concrete gravity dam, and the material used is.
Yes. Group number 4.
Yeah, the materials used are The type of cement used is
Yes.
low
Okay.
heat cement.
Continue, please.
The type of cement used is low heat cement. A small quantity of tricalcium aluminate makes the concrete to produce low heat of hydration. Low heat cement is suitable for mass concrete construction like gravity dams, as the low heat of hydration prevents the cracking of concrete due to the heat. Other types of materials used are mass concrete, which is a normally mixed concrete, is placed in thick layers against formwork and compacted with regular concrete vibration tools. And the other type of concrete used is roller compacted concrete, RCC, where a lean dry concrete mix is placed and compacted in thin layers using road construction equipment. This is all.
Okay. Thank you, Corella. I call you Koilala.
Yes,
Koilala. Koilala. Your friend, Koilala. Tavichai. Tavichai. No, Tavichai.
we couldn't really discuss again because it took a lot of time to search for this information.
I know.
I had to go through
I know.
lots
I
of
will ask.
information.
Yes, I know. I will ask Tavichai. Is he there? Tavichai. No. Tavichai go with Jakapong. Go with. Also take Bali. Take Sigmund. Maybe go with Songchan to travel, make a travel. Okay. So, what about Namkha?
Yes, Ajahn.
Namkha?
Yeah, Namkha. Yes, Ajahn.
Why
Yes,
they
Ajahn.
use low heat cement? Why they use low heat cement? Tell me. Why?
Low heat cement.
Low heat cement. Why? Why? Koilala, show us.
Because it is. Hello.
Yes.
Because I think it's suitable for the gravities, for the type of dam that is the type of dam that we presented is gravity dam. So, and for low heat cement is correct, the suitable type of material.
Photo, Koilala.
Yes, Ajahn.
Show us the picture of the dam. Namkha.
Yes, Ajahn. Yes, Ajahn. Hello.
Why we use the low heat cement? Why?
Because it prevents cracking on the dam. Ajahn.
Yes, good. So, you see the volume of the material, you see? Is the large amount of concrete they used. So they have to control the heat developed by the cementation process. They try to avoid cracking. When there is a heating or rising up the temperature, the water will lose from the process and it doesn't get the complete of the chemical process in cementation. So they avoid crack. Then they use low heat type of cement. That's okay? Namkha,
Okay, Ajahn.
you give very good answer. Biwas?
Yes, Ajahn.
Biwas, what's the Material, roller compacted concrete. What's the meaning of roller compacted concrete for this dam? Koilala, please show him information. Koilala.
Yeah. Just a moment, Ajahn.
No problem. Just stop sharing this photo. Okay. Viewers, roller compacted concrete.
It is a concrete compacted in thin layers, Ajahn.
Yes.
Is it something like that? Concrete that is compacted in a very thin layer.
Yes. This is also used for reduce the conventional concrete as well. Okay, thank you for group number 4. Group number 4, the one who missed the class is Tawichai, right? Saw, are you there? Saw, no. Tawichai.
Anime, right, Ajahn?
Who? Saw?
Anime. Hello.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Saw name in. Okay,
Yes, I'm
thank
also
you.
in group 4, Ajahn.
Okay, Korilala, Namka Biwas. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the last group, number 5, please. Rosie, Sanke, Yang Chen, Pima.
Share screen. Okay, Ajahn. Okay, Ajahn. We are sharing screen. Punatang Chu Dam in Bhutan. Punatang Chu is located 80 km east of Bhutan. It has steep hills on both the sides. The V-shaped river gorge is filled with river deposit consisting of permeable sand gravel packages, boulder in size up to few meters. It also occurs frequently. Bedrock reaches from exposed surface down to as deep as 93 meters below actual working platform elevation, with the UCS strength of occasionally more than 100 MPa. Methodology: two-phase cutter excavator cut-off wall was selected as the most appropriate and reliable methodology for the construction of the ceiling element. The construction materials: gravity grouting and a tube mentioned grouting are used to temporarily seal the open void soil layers and to fix the boulders and big cobbles. The cut-off wall was constructed using one Bure DHGC hydraulic grab and two Bure BC40 trench cutter units, and Bure is drilling equipment. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Let's see the abbreviative. Okay, you go down, scroll down, please. Okay. So cut-off wall, we use COW, cut-off wall. UCS, unique shear compressive strength. Okay. See? Okay, can you point UCS strength, please? Okay, just abbreviative letter. COW cut-off wall, right?
Yes.
And they use the grab, and also cutter unit is a kind of hydraulic is kind of heavy construction machine. Okay, another people, another person, please. Thank you. Group 5, Rosie, Sanjay, Yang Sheng, Pima.
Yes, sir, John.
Any information more?
No, John.
Okay, Rosie. Where is Pima? Pima?
Pema is sharing screen, Ajahn.
Pima?
Pema is sharing screen.
Okay, thank you. Yang Shen. Rosie.
Yes, sir, John.
Sanke.
Yes, Ajahn.
Thank you. Okay, 5 person. Oh, 4 person for group 5. Thank you. Okay. Then activity. Okay, thank you. Stop sharing, please. Okay, my turn. Okay. Okay, if you go to see when they construct the dam and before construction, they have to evaluate their slope stability of the dam. They use program. They summarize the horizontal force against with the vertical force, and we determine the factor of safety of the slope. So when we study about the earth, we know that mostly core material, earth field, impermeable zone. For, you see, 2A and 2B is filter. Is filter. 2A, 2B, filter. 2A, 2B, filter. Engineer water head, the pressure of water to force it to spill out or drain in the way we call it filter zone. For make it heavy, we use rock fill at the upper part and like a shell, like a cover, protect the clay material or the impermeable zone, covered by heavy material. We call that part rock fill. And we replace it riprap at the upper part. We call for water protection, erosion protection, we use riprap. So this is we call it the zone of the earth dam. Actually, we can use homogeneous as the 1A and replace the riprap, but you will use a lot of very large amount of the earth field, which impermeable zone. Then the material not enough, so they choose more. Maybe they use more fill for maybe rock fill at the upper and the downside. This is the technique for design of the material for construction. So, you see, for the earth fill, what kind of material they use for soil classification? CL, SC, GC. They use material, and it is the specification. You have to compact by standard method of compaction with the moisture content +2 to -1 of optimum moisture content. This is for example. And when you use a fine filter or quartz filter, what kind of material to be used? You see, for fine material, in horizontal or in vertical chimney, we call chimney filter. They use material must also satisfy ASTM C33 standard It means like a kind of fine aggregate of concrete, fine aggregate for concrete, like a sand without fine material. You see, quartz also concrete aggregate. You see. So you have to understand about the construction material when you work and when you study, not just oh, teacher forced me to study. No, but it is your role. You have to respond the safety of the dam when you construct it, or when you build another structure, right? So this is the kind of we call gradation curve. This is for zone core material, zone 1A. This is zone 1A, zone 1A. So this is zone 2A, 2A. Where is 2A? 2A here, 2A, 2B here, right? This. What about zone 3, 3D or 2B? And 3A, you see? This is 3A, 3A, 3A. This is the gradation of the zone of material. So you have to know, what about the percentage of gravel? What about percentage of sand or fine material? Silt, clay, see? So I force you to study. And you know permeability of classification. Okay, so you can read yourself here. And group number 2. What group? Okay. Whose work is? Group 3? Group 3, are you there? Group 3. Group 3 didn't tell me.
Yes.
You just give me the CU and CC, but you didn't classify the soil type for me. See, group 3, you give me only the CC and CU, but you didn't give me the answer. For group number, what's group? Group number 4, you see? You need dual symbol, but you didn't, you did the requirement only SP, no full stop, only SP, okay. For group number 4, you correct GW, okay. Okay, group number 5, okay, for group number 5, you see, when you work, you only give me this, but you didn't give answer to me what kind of material. Just this, no meaning. You have to tell me what kind of material, what kind of soil. You have to tell me what kind of soil, GW, GP, SGM, GC, SW, SP. You have to tell me, is it CL, MH, ML? So for today, I give you 30 minutes to give me the answer how to classify the soil. I ask you 30 minutes to work together and give me the answer how to classify the soil that I give to you last week. Okay, so for group number 3, you have to give me the answer. I show you how to do already, but you have to give me in the detail why SM. Why when you give this, it became SP? Why? Okay, I let you group work together 30 minutes and we come again about 2:45. Okay? Just give me the answer. What the soil classification that I give to you last week to work with. Any question? Any question? I didn't teach you if you didn't work with it. You have to work, you have to know how to do first, and then we discussion. And then we discuss. I didn't teach because I teach, but nobody can work with it. So you have to help each other to understand how to classify it by read this paper. This paper begin with, you see, begin with, okay, you take a reading with me. Permittery classification procedure. We classify by the seed number 200. If the 5 grain more or larger number of 5 grain, okay, past number 200 seed, we use section 11. If the cross grain more than 50%, retain 200 seed is section 12. Okay, this is section 11. Section 11, you use only this part. And section 12, you have to use this part. Okay, just tell me what is your soil classification. Okay, we meet you about 2:45. Any question? Two 45. So group number 3, I show you how to do, but you have to rearrange your thinking, your idea, and your discussion. Not only follow my answer, but you have to recheck again and help each other to find me the answer. Okay, พัทรากร
โอเคครับ
You have to work with your friend.
โอเค
Thank you. See you 2:45. Help each other now. Any group will present who did already done, which group already done. You need more. Do you need more time? Do you need more time?
Yes, Sergeant, few more.
Okay. Yes, which group? Which group? Which group want to present first? Group number 3, do you want to present the first group? No voice, no voice. I just give the practice for group number 5. You finish? Group number 3, did you finish? Okay, later. I asked if everyone done finish your group and told me.
Arjun, do we need to submit or
Not
Arjun, do we
submit,
need to submit or present?
just make a presentation. Just tell me what to do, how to classify. Just tell me,
Okay.
share your screen.
Hello, Ajahn.
Yes, you finish? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Let's try first. You present to me now.
Yeah. Steamy. Back up. Uh, for for soil A, we got CU 17.67, and CC we got 1.415. So the percentage of sand is 40, and the silt and clay is 51%, and gravel is 9%. So sand is like 100% minus. It comes around 60. So 100 minus 60 is 40%. So for soil A there is 40% of sand, and then there is 51% of silt and clay, which is 60 minus 9 is 51% of silt and clay, and then the rest are gravel, which is 9%. So since the percentage of sand is more than that of gravel, so 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 it is well graded gravel as the value of sorry. So it is a well graded sand as the value of Cu is more than that of 6, which is 17.67. So it's greater than 6, and then the value of CC is 1.415. So it is a well graded sand. And then for soil B, and then for this soil B, we got Cu value 3.3, and then the CC value is 0.948. So the percentage of sand is 95%. Like it's 98 minus 3, so which is 95%, and then there is 0% of silt and clay, and then the gravel is 5%. So from the graph, so since the percentage of sand is greater than that of gravel, so from here it is we could identify that that soil B is a poorly graded sand, as value of Cu is less than that of 6. And then the next graph, and then from this graph we got the value of Cu and Cc, but then we couldn't identify the group symbol of Thank you, Ajahn.
Yes, yes. Okay, next group. Maybe group number 3, please. As you can do group number 4 first.
Hello, Ajahn.
Yes, I need group number 4 first.
No, Ajahn. We are group number 5, but we didn't understand that last graph. We couldn't identify sand and gravel.
Doesn't matter. I need group number 4. Then I will correct everyone.
Okay, Ajahn.
Hello.
Maybe group number 2. Up to your group.
Okay. Hello.
Okay, please, group number 2 or number 4, please.
Hello again. Group number 2 gonna present. Can you see my screen, Ita? Hello again. Hello. Hello again. Hello again. Can you hear me?
What about group number 2, please?
Hello again. Can you hear me?
Siri, yes, please share your screen. I'd like to see your progress.
Can you see my screen again? Hello.
Yes, everyone can see your share screen.
Okay. So first we need to find the person takes all the gravel and the sand of the graph from this data, and then we project the line for each graph to find the CU and CC. After we got the data from the CU and CC and the gravel, the percentage of the gravel and the sand, so we will look through this information, and then we can know the group or symbol and the group name of that as well. That's all for my idea about that. That's all. Okay.
Okay, that things that you can do. Next, group number 4, please.
Okay. Hello. Oh, hello, John. Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you. Okay, let's begin.
So, firstly, for our group, we just found the values of the percentage, that is how many the percentage of the sand, the gravel, and the silt and clay are in this graph that you provided us, Ajahn. And from that graph, then we, as you can see here, you calculate the value of Cu and Cc given by this given formula, d60 divided by d10 for Cu, and for Cc this is d30 square divided by d10 and d60. Then we find the value of the respective values, that is, so Cu is 200 and Cc is 5.6. After finding this value, then first we determine how many if the percentage of gravel is greater, or if the percentage of sand is greater. As in this given question, we have the gravel of the percentage of gravel is 4%. So according to this, we have to take the from the so wait a while. So from this data, we have to take the percentage of gravel that is greater than percentage of sand. So here, after taking this, we have to determine if after the sieve number 200, how much percentage is the sand and silt. So in this question, we have excuse me, we have here sand and silt and clay with 10%, so it should be between 5 to 12%. So now, according to this graph, then we have gravel is greater than sand percentage, so we take this, the fine is 5 to 12%, and from there we know that the Cu's value is greater than 200, so we take this value, I mean GW, according to me. So that's it. Thank you, Ajahn.
Okay, I will correct later. Group number 2, please. Sorry, group number 3. Yes, I wait for you. Okay, okay. Okay, who will add some information? Okay, Patharagon. Okay, Patharagon, any suggestion? I wait for Patharagon speaking. Patharagon. Is Patharagon there? Is Patharagon there?
Hello, can I add more?
Yes, please add more.
As we already found the percentage of sand, silt, and clay, the percentage of sand is around, I think it's 55, and the silt is 46, and the clay is 3. Ajahn, can we use the USCS system to classify the soil?
Yes, yes, please.
So if you use this system to classify the soil, so we can find that the 50% of the sample will be passed through the SIP number 200. So we can see that the percentage of sand is around 55%. So we can classify the type of soil as coarse grind soil.
Nima, I cannot hear your voice. Nima.
I think my voice is not working properly, as in.
Okay, okay, okay. I wait for you. Nima.
Hello, Ajahn, can you hear me?
Okay. Anything more?
No,
Okay.
no, Ajahn. You can explain this one again.
Okay. Okay. That's okay. I share my screen and I ask one by one. Siri, you are the first person. Okay, before I ask you one by one, I will get a conclusion first. Okay? Okay, let me step by step. Okay. First of all, when you take a look for procedure, first thing you have to do is use 200 seed. Okay, I give you an example of group number 5. Okay, group number 5. for group number 5. Soil number 1, soil A. You check 200 sieve. For 200 sieve, you know already done. Fines particle is about 60% for fines. You see, fines 60%. So you have no need. Group number 5, 50% past 200 sieve. No need to do anything. You have nothing to do with CU and CC. Rosie.
Yes, Ajahn.
Rosie?
Yes,
You have
Ajahn.
nothing to do with the CU, CC. Because the fines particle more than 50%, okay?
Okay, Ajahn.
Don't do that. No, you get silt 43%, clay 20%. You see? More than 50%. No need. What you have to do? Think this. When the fines particle greater than 50%, see, you go to session 11. Okay, for session 11, you go. This is the consistency of fines particle. Water content make the soil flow itself, and water content makes soil to be plastic. This part we know it's plasticity index, plastic index. This is liquid limit index. So when you go to session 11, you take reading. You get the concluded part. Y-axis is liquid limit. X-axis is liquid limit. Y plasticity index. Then soil A. For soil A, you take reading, liquid limit and plasticity index, and you plot. Rosie, I give you plastic limit equal to 20%. Liquid limit equal to 60%. What would be PI, plastic index?
20%.
You check this.
Yeah.
Take a look in the screen. Liquid limit, I give you 60%, right? Plastic limit, I give you. So the difference 60 is 40, right? Right? 60 minus 20 is 40, right?
Yes,
So
Ajahn.
you plot between 60 and 40. This is 40. This is 60. And you got CH or OH. So your soil number, soil A, group 5. So soil A is classified as fine grain soil. Fine grained soil by use LL and PL. Okay, use this. This is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. So what about soil B? From soil B, so soil A is classified fine grain soil as part 11, use plastic index and liquid limit. So what about soil B? Soil B get totally 100%. Sieve number 4. This is sieve number 4. 4.75. Sieve number 4. Totally soybean sand. Get particle maybe less than 5%. Less than 5%. Less than 5% fines particle. So you can use CU, CC this. You can use. But you have to go checking this. Go to part 12. Part 12 stated that the sand more than gravel, correctly, sand more than gravel, and fines less than 5%. But CU not greater than 6, less than 6, and or less than 1 to 5. You got only 3, you got 0.9, then it is SP, poorly graded sand. You see, this is less than 15 gravel, poorly graded sand. Then the answer of group 5 should be, Rosie, what should be what?
Poorly
What about
graded.
soybean? Excuse me, what should be? Should
Poorly
be
graded sand, Ajahn.
SP, poorly graded sand. Okay, because totally sand. Okay, only gravel, no gravel, no gravel. 96% sand, maybe 4% fines. Then the graph should be SP, because CU less than 6, CC not required, because if you need CC for W, you got CC only 0.9. So it doesn't meet requirement for SW. So you get only SP. Group number 5. This is group number 5. So what about this? They state that this is pervious soil. You see, why is pervious? This is semi-pervious soil. This is impervious soil. You see, this is the characteristic for the soil. So, this is mostly more 200%. So this is 5 particle. Mostly, you see, this part got sand. And if you consider 200% sieve, they get maybe about 26% of fines. So thing you have to consider is sieve number 200 first. For this part, this line, you can do and check it as coarse grain. Coarse grain soil. For this part will be fine grain soil, but you have to take a look at the 50%. So first of all, you have to take a look at the sieve number 200 first and classify your soil will be coarse or fine grain. Okay, group number 5. Group number 5.
Yes, Ajahn.
So this is your homework. Please study this chart and make discussion next week, okay?
Okay, Ajahn. Okay, Ajahn.
Next week, you have to discussion more about classification. I hope we go in class and discussion. Okay. Group number 4. Are you there? Group number 4. Group number
Yes,
4.
Sajjan.
Okay. For group number 4, you take a look this. You don't believe, you have to check. See this? Okay. Go to 200. You got how many percent? 10%, right?
Yes.
Koirala. Koirala. Koirala.
Yes, Sajjan.
Okay. This is gravel, right? How many percentage of gravel?
It's 100 minus 35%. So 65.
Okay. So what is the alphabet? G, right? G will be the first alphabet. What about the after? Okay, you go checking this. This is G. G. Okay. The 5, 10%. Then you have to check CU and CC. What about CU and CC? CC, for you, CC 5, right? And CU 200. Okay, what about CU? CU 200, but CC 5.6, right? CC 5.6. So the answer is it's not meet requirement. It doesn't meet requirement. CU greater than, this is 200, right? 200. But CC is 5.6, right? It doesn't meet requirement for being GW. So it would be only GP, right? GP. And you have to check M or C by plasticity chart. The answer would be, what should be the answer? P, not W, GP. It should be GP because CC greater than 4, correct? But, oh sorry, CU greater than 4. But CC equal to 5.6 doesn't meet requirement, so it's become GP. This is, don't believe it's incorrect. You have to check CC and CU. Okay? What another question for group number 4? Okay. This is group number 4. You choose group number 4. For group number 4, you check, this is sand, right? It begins with S. And 5 particle for this group number, which one? Group number 4, green? Green line. Okay, red line first, group number 4. Red sand. Okay, it's in sand. Okay, so it should be only SP, correct, but no, you do correctly. When you write down there SP. Okay, correct. Okay, for group number 4, you can work as classify. I think group number 4 can give the right answer. Okay, so group number 3. Okay, group number 3. For this part, you know that CU greater than 6, CC not in between 1, in between 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be SP, but 5 particle about 8%, in the range of 5 to 15. Then you get dual symbol SS, SP, and 1. Okay, that should be, you have to add more and check plasticity of soil. Then the dual symbol should be, you see, should be this SP to SM or SP to SC, this part. When you get SM or C, is up to your plot. You should plot. For if you plot like this, you get C. If you plot here, you get M, following by M. This is you have to read. Okay. Group number 3, already you have to check again. Okay. Then the last one of group number 3. For this part, group number 3, you take a look first at the sieve number 200. This is 200 sieve. Is this a 0.05, this part? So you check it, hit this part is about 45%. It means that the particle, first particle, the sand is 59%. You do right here. But 5 particle greater than 12%. Greater than 12%. The following letter, no need to do CC, no need to have nothing to do with CU. You need only M or C, because the S classification shown you. See, more than 12%, fine. You should check with MLCL. You will get this, or this. That's all. Okay. For group number 2, delay. San Paul.
Yes, Sergeant.
Delay. Delay.
Yes, Sergeant.
Are you there?
Yes, Sergeant.
Did you understand what did I say?
Yes.
Next week will be the examination for classification. So you have to go reading more and make better understanding. Okay. So next week, I give you explain group number 2. This is for next week's group number 2. Explain this, how to classify this, okay?
3 or 2 again.
Group number, oh sorry, group number 3. Group number 3. Group number 5, group number 3. Group number 4. Group number 4. Group number 4. Are you there, group number 4?
Yes, Sergeant.
Okay, I need you to explain more about this line, only this
Okay,
line.
Sergeant.
You see? 200, sheet number 200 here. You take reading this. How many percentage of 200? 45, right? 45, 50, right? Maybe 52?
53.
Okay.
Oh, yes, 52.
Okay, 52%. 5. I give you liquid limit equal to 50%. Plastic limit equal to 35%. This is for group 4, okay? Group 4. Okay, group 4. This is for group 2. Group 2. Are you there?
Yes, again.
This is for you to explain next week. I give you liquid limit equal to 20%. Plastic limit equal to 15%. This is group 2, okay? Group 2. This for group 2. If you take a look, this that you call gap grade. See? Gap grade, no need to check CUC. Oh, excuse me, I do wrong. I do wrong. Gap grade, you have nothing to do with, you don't need to determine the what's wrong with, okay, excuse me. Gap grade, if you take a look this for group number 2, see the grade percentage of phi greater than 50%. You don't need CUCC. You use only liquid limit and plastic limit. Then LL minus PL equal to PI. You will know that. And for well graded, you see, well graded. Please redo again. Okay, recheck and explain how to classify. How to classify the well grade. Okay, how to for group number 2. And for uniform grade, you see, uniform grade. Totally is sand. So beginning of the sand, S is the first letter. So this is not requirement W. And 5 particle is smaller than, less than 5, less than 5%. So you can use following letter P. This is SP correctly. So group number 2 again, explain how to classify what's the grade, well graded, okay? So for next week, you have to explain me.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Previous repeating.
Class finish.
Previous repeat. Previous. That base. Korolo. Kororo. Bet.
Yeah, girl group, please answer. Sangi.
Previous. Group number 2.
Divas Guru.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Ajahn.
Hi. Hi. Sanpao? Okay, my battery ran off already. So see you next week. Okay.
Jan.
Any question? Okay. Sorry. See you next week. I will make a summary and give to you all. Please take reading it. Thank you.